back to my channel. One last shawty. Yes, don't talk about my last. Don't do me. Not today. Look, listen, little. I'm tired. Truth is, I'm tired. I'm tired. So, y'all, boom. Shakalaka. So, we finna make the viral dill pickle dip. And, of course, every time I try to make something, they always got a substitute. They don't never have exactly what I'm looking for. So, yes, I had to get the sliced ones. I had to do what it do. I had to do what it do. I had to do what it do, y'all. What was I gonna do? Just say F it. I had already got the other ingredients. I ain't have time for that. So we got everything we need. All the ingredients. So we finna quickly, and I mean quickly, assemble this little bowl so I can try it. Because I ain't got time for that today. I ain't got all day. At all. So boom, we're gonna take these pickles and we're gonna chop them up, and then we're gonna start adding our ingredients into a bowl, and then we're gonna proceed to mix it and then dump it back into this tub, and then we're going to eat it with some chips. So let's get started. So boom, first things first on our list. Yo, if your titties ain't low, they wobble to the floor. Let me stop for real. So, boom, we got these pickles. I don't know why they so hard to open. Like, duh. And I don't know why every time I try to do something and I try to follow a trend, it always never works out for me. They don't never have exactly what I'm looking for. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We're going to take all of the pickles out. We're going to chop them up. Nice and fine. Fine shit. Yeah, we're going to chop them up. And then, you know, we're going to save the juice for later. So, we're going to get all the pickles out. Like this, like that, right there. Like this, like that, right there. Like this, right there. I think I got all of them. Ooh, what is that on the inside? We can just leave that right on in there. So, boom. We just finna chop. I want to be lazy and put them into my cutter. But I ain't going to do that one. It's going to be dicey. We don't want them dicey. We just going to slice them up. Hopefully it tastes the same as the spears. Hopefully it doesn't have a different taste. But how would I know? Because I don't like the spears. I swear, every time I try to do something, it never goes right, y'all. Like, y'all ever felt like that? Like, dang. Like, dang. Y'all, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. That I have to literally cut up slices. I mean, it's kind of easier that they're already sliced up and stuff like that right there. But it's just like, well, dang. Everybody else got theirs, like, you know, nice and dicey and stuff. But why do I feel like I just seen something? I need to stop tripping. I don't know if I'm tripping or what. I don't know what it was. I need to hurry up so I can clean up. Sample. So I really feel like I got them cut up to the best of my ability. So now we're just gonna add them to the bowl. Dig the bowl. We're gonna add them to the bowl. Yeah. Add them to the bowl. Come on now, don't look. Look, we ain't got time for this today. Not today. Alright, so boom. Now that we got the pickles. Y'all, I almost forgot the jalapenos. Because I'm going to have to chop up a jalapeno. Yeah, jalapeno and the green onion. Don't forget the green onion. Some green onion. So we just going to chop this up real fine, really quickly. Ain't got time for this today. Not today. We're just going to put a little bit in there. We ain't going to use the whole thing because I do have another batch to make at a later time. Don't chop up my fingers now. Don't chop up my fingers. Wrong with you. Alright. I feel like they're small enough. These some fat ass. Look. Yeah. Add them in there. Sprinkle. Now we got the jalapeno. Shame, ain't it? Don't this remind you of somebody? So we go dice up the jalapenos real fine for a little spice or whatever. Yeah. That's a lot of cutting. Ain't nobody got time for this. For real. Ain't nobody got time for this. Alright, let me hurry up for real. I'm overstimulated. Y'all, this is like, I'm trying to make sure they're fine because I don't want no big ass. Well, it don't really matter to me because I'm the only one that's going to be eating it. But hey, I still want it to be like, you know what I'm saying? T. Alright, got that together. Boom. Literally, gonna have that in there. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. I think that's the last thing I'm gonna have to cut up, so we're gonna put this away. Whew. Thank you. So now we're gonna add some dilly yilly yilly. Some dilly yilly yilly. Okay, that's it for the green. Hold on, we ain't finna be eating, yeah. Anyway. What? Come on now, come on back. Get on back in there, girl. Ain't nobody got time for this, not today. Ooh. I already know what I'm gonna have to do again. Alright, so now we're gonna start adding the real ingredients. So now we got the whipped cream cheese. I already got one that's already open. We're not wasting nothing. Really, I can use this. It says sour cream, Greek yogurt. This is a lot of ingredients. I hope it's not nasty, no shade. Okay, so boom, let's add all the white stuff. So now we're gonna add the whipped cream cheese. Boom, 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 just a dollop like that. I already have some that's already open. So hopefully that's gonna be enough. This was like half of 22 grams, 8 ounces, half. But just in case, I do have another one, so I'm gonna just add a little bit. Just a dollop. That's a dollop out of that one. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Now we're gonna do the sour cream. Gonna do a dollop, maybe 2. Yep. And now we're gonna do the Greek yogurt. Boom. 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 Okay, so yep. Yep. Then a mild cheddar. Do it to your discretion. Eyeball it. Look, listen, Linda, I ain't got the perfect measurements for everything. Don't do me. Got the bacon bits. Shake. Look, eye it. Just like you eye your big ass back. Thank ya. So now we got this ranch packet. We gonna use about half the pack. You know, I ain't that big bag. You know, y'all be using the whole pack, and I don't see why. Like, this already salty. It's salty. So now, look at it before I mix. Look at it. Look at this concoction. Hopefully it mixes well. Oh, it's mixing well. Okay, so boom. We're gonna mix it all together. Just like that. Till it's all incorporated. We're gonna add a little juice. We're gonna add a little pickle juice. There we go. Ooh. That was a little too much, baby. That was a little too much. I added a little too much. That's just so it won't be dry, guys. This looks amazing, don't it? Don't it looks amazing? Don't it look good, y'all? Just wait. Let me cook. I fear that mine is too watery. I'm not. Hold on, wait. Should I put some seasoning in there now, y'all? They already put some seasoning. It's already some ranch seasoning in there. I don't feel like I should put no seasoning. Should I put some cayenne or some Cajuns? All right, I'm gonna put a little seasoning in there. Even though the ranch seasoning should be enough, but I'm gonna put some Cajun seasoning in there. Ooh. Cajun. All right. There we go. I feel like it's all done. So now I'm gonna have to put it back in that cup somehow without wasting it. So before we put it in the cup, we're just gonna clean up our mess. We gotta clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up. All right. I'm really supposed to be cleaning up today, but I'm just gonna straighten up and put on my clothes and wash my clothes. That's what I'm gonna do. Why won't go out? All right. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I gotta get my crackers together, y'all. I'm excited. It's actually like gonna be so good, you guys. I can already feel it, you know? I can already feel it. I feel like I should put some more bacon bits in there. Y'all think so? Nah, I ain't. I ain't gonna be that big bag. Getting down because I know it's gonna be a mess somewhere, somehow. So, yeah. Get that up. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the cup? So now, all we're gonna do, y'all, is literally dump it back in there. Just like this. I know it's all not gonna fit in there, but the rest of it, I don't know where it's gonna go. Oh, it might fit, y'all. It just might. It might be busting out the seams, though. Yep, busting out the seam like I thought. Okay, anyway. So now we gotta get our crackers. I got two types of crackers. I have toasted red chips. And then I have club crackers. I didn't know what it was gonna taste like. So yeah, I got a variety of crackers to see what I was gonna like or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try both of them. Ooh, thank God it's just individual pack. So yes, we finna trade. We finna trade. Make the viral dill pickle dip with me, bitches. Yeah. All right, we finna try her. That really didn't even take that long. That didn't even take. It didn't take that long. Let's get down and dirty. I got these chips. I'm excited, y'all. Yeah. My crackers, got my napkins. All that. Try the viral dill pickle dip with me, bitches. Yeah. So y'all, I'm most excited about this. It didn't even take that long. So I got some Ritz toasted chips. Ritz. Yeah, and I got some of these clubs. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't know nothing about that. So we finna give it a try and generate it 1 through 10. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited, but I'm also scared at the same time because I don't know what to expect. But we finna get in there like booty hell. Yeah. I'm gonna pull out a few chips real quick so we can dig in. I'm digging in. Okay, cool. Let's see. First bite. It's good fun. Okay. Oh, this is good. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Whoever made this or whoever came up with this need their ass ate. They need to eat good too. Bitch, this is so good. This is so good. I don't even care how many calories is in here. And this is so great. This would be good for a party. Your next party. Bring this to your next party. I promise you. East down. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is so good. Easy to make. And I would try again. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. But I am full and done. Would y'all try? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.